Who is WolfPac-Outdoors? Hi, my name is Austin. I'm passionate about creating a positive impact on other people's lives when they interact with the content that I've created.
You could say I've been overlanding for over 19 years now, but I've really only considered myself an adventurer or an adventure seeker.
This past year and a half, I've had the amazing opportunity to meet many of you, other overland creators. We've also built Everest, my truck, and we've been documenting our adventures along the way. It really came down to how we operate as a family and journey to these remote destinations that are really life-altering. I'll be pursuing some of the most iconic overlanding and off-roading trails North America has to offer, meeting up with other overland creators, and possibly you. Welcome to the Wolfpack. I'll holler at you later.
Perfect.